Never leave people behind.
And I'm assuming we're all facing each other.
So y'all are on the Buckeye Lake is the
Okay.
name of the car. Schmidt. Yes, you are.
Awesome. Okay, y'all get with Daddy.
Come on, guys.
Car's coming, okay? So we're here at Cedar Park for the Austin Steam Train Hill Country Flyer. We just picked up our tickets and we're gonna go on a little train ride.
I was reading a library.
Yeah.
It's mainly pictures though.
And we've got about 20 minutes, so we're gonna go check out this little train museum in here.
Don't touch stuff, Harmony.
There's some people in here, so it wasn't super crowded a minute ago, but it might get more crowded as it gets closer to the time.
Harmony loves to touch everything.
Yep.
Gets her in trouble sometimes.
Go straight and to the right. Follow Daddy right here. That's nice. They have a little step stool. Okay, y'all ready? Okay, let's keep. There's some train tools. Under here. Okay, we're gonna go get in line now.
I thought owl was a bird.
It is a bird. It's to keep like pest birds away. I don't know how well they really work though.
He's a villain then.
You know what they call them?
What?
Trucks.
What?
Those train wheels are called trucks. This one, really?
I think so.
No, it's further down, right?
I don't know.
Which one?
He said 3 cars down.
Okay. Here's the last one.
Yeah. What?
Now we just have to wait this long.
Yeah.
There's Milwaukee Road.
Yeah, that says Buckeye Trail
Where?
on her tickets. We'll see. Maybe we can get to the Buckeye Lake from here.
Yeah, but
Buckeye Lake.
Yeah, here to the right.
First car or?
Yes, first
Okay.
car.
Okay. Can you get up there, y'all? Can you get up there, Harmony? That way, Harmony, to the right. Did we make it on the train? We got our seats.
Daddy says he sees one.
We're in 53, 54, 57, and 58.
hope you don't crash your bridge down when you're going over it.
What?
The Mothman. I thought I saw him on a bridge.
Oh my goodness, Daddy.
In just a few minutes over the EA system, there should be an announcement by our crew chief going over the comfort and safety rules. And then also just along, y'all know, right around the corner over there is the restroom, which I just unlocked, but I had recommended until we start moving, until we start the train, because it runs off the same air pressure as the brakes. And be sure to flush it. Be sure to hold the flush button for 6 to 10 seconds to make sure it's fully flushed. Right around over there is also the trash can. So if you got any trash, just throw it on in there. And then 3 cars ahead of us is the concession car, which has drinks, snacks, coffee, souvenirs, all that fun stuff. It is 3 cars up ahead that way.
We want to.
Yes.
We're moving backwards a little bit.
We go that way? We'll move this way from
Please, no standing or dancing on the vintage tables or chairs. and walking the train. And what train ride isn't complete without a cool drink and a souvenir? The Cedar Park concession car is located in the middle of the train, selling your favorite soft drinks, snacks, and souvenirs. All profits go towards the maintenance and restoration of our vintage.
Thank you. Thank you. Whoa, it's a rocking and a rolling. Yep, it's very wobbly. Oops, sorry, Avery, didn't mean to step on your shoe. Can you pull it open? Let me pull it open, okay? Yeah, this is pretty cool, isn't it? Hold on, y'all stand right here. Okay, let's keep going.
You have a big track. It seems really good.
Sorry. Okay. Yeah.
Mommy, I want that.
Out. Hold on. Out. Okay, hold on. Oh, somebody's coming. We're gonna back up. Back up.
Thank you. And the door is very good.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, I gotta let go for just a second. Hard door, hold on. Got it for me? Step up real quick, there you go. A little bit scary for the kiddos. Here we go. Okay. Hear the train whistle? Yeah. Okay, we made it to Burnet. We're gonna go sit down and eat. Hopefully find a bathroom.
That's a big guitar.
Mm-hmm.
You could play with the band. Yeah.
Here, we're gonna cross here, Harmony. No worries. Follow her. Thank you.
We're all out of minis right now, but as soon as we get some, we'll bring them right.
Okay, no worries. Why don't you go sit over there on that side? Actually, do you need to go to the bathroom? Oh, it doesn't say crunchy? Let's see, what are we gonna eat? Oh, have a couple of beers to be more relaxed on the train this afternoon.
Step twos.
Step twos? Here, I'll help you. Well, I should have videoed when the food first got here, but not bad. Philly cheesesteak, hamburger steak. Harmony ate all her chicken nuggets, her chicken tenders, and you've got a corn dog you haven't touched.
Yeah, and I got a burger. We got Sprite. We got beer.
So we just got done eating, and we actually got reservations at this place called Trailblazers. I would definitely recommend calling them at least a week ahead. We called actually Tuesday afternoon and got the reservations. It was perfect. We came in, sat down, they took our order, got our food, went to the bathroom, all that good stuff. So make sure to make reservations. Food was good. So we're gonna do a little walking around, and then there's supposed to be a old Western or Western shootout or something at 12:30 before we get on the train at 1. So there's a pizza place too, just right across the street, another option. Probably a few other restaurants.
Getting ready for something.
Yeah, they're getting ready for some kind of event. Got the street blocked off and setting up a stage. Must be doing something tonight. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, it's blown. Can't read the sign. So we're on our way back to the train. I don't know if you can kind of see it at the distance, but there is this public bathroom right here on the way to the courthouse square where the restaurants are. So we're gonna make a quick stop here with the girls before we go back to see the Wild West show. That's artificial grass.
Watch the cars.
Stop at the fire hydrant. Stop right there. This Wild West show is just right across from the train where we've got to reboard. So show's supposed to start in about 5 minutes. Go up there, they're calling for all the youngins.
Run up there quick.
Stick with Harmony.
Heck, I want to go up there. I'm a junior deputy.
Alright guys, what I want y'all to do, I want you to raise your right hands, and I'm going to ask you some questions.
He's gonna ask some questions if you can't hear.
I'm going to ask you some questions, and if you agree, I want you to say, I do, okay? Do you swear to uphold the laws of the state of Texas and county of Burnet? Do you promise to obey your mom's, dad's, grandma's, grandpa's, aunts, uncles, and babysitters? Ooh, I think I lost a couple on that one. Swear to keep your room clean. I think I lost a couple.
Yeah, right.
Alright guys, I want y'all to keep your eyes open, and if there's something that happened in here that I need to know about, I want y'all to just holler out and tell me about it, okay? And if I get into trouble, y'all got my back, alright? Alright, thanks.
See, y'all are deputies like Barney Fife now.
And our big brother Preston.
And Preston, that's right.
Now you got thrown in. You got to follow all directions.
Okay.
The Constitution of the United States.
Holy smokes. Did you see that? Look at the can, even though it was a blank.
That was done with a blank, not a real bullet. That's why every gun should be treated as if it's loaded. Roll you a
Oh,
I didn't even step on. Oh! No, 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 no! Come on, higher! Come on, I got you back. No, you don't. Put it down.
so did you get deputized, Harmony, at the Wild West?
Uh-huh.
Yep. Was that fun? And then you got thrown in jail?
Yeah.
At the very
And
end,
I
we took a
broke-
picture.
My Avery broke me out.
Yeah, Avery broke you out. Okay, we're gonna get back on. Avery, did that make you a little nervous?
It was scary. she
Scary?
said. Scary that they were going.
Oh. Okay, I'm heading back to the concession without the girls to get a cup of coffee. They were pretty scared earlier, at least Avery was. Still making my way to the concession car right there. But at these, you can actually, the windows are open. This connection is what scared Avery earlier. You can kind of see that it's all moving around. But you can actually get up and get a little fresh air.
I love you, honey. I love you, Daddy. I think this is how you do the left. And this is also.
And start shooting. We're right here in the back.
All right, everyone, listen up. In a few minutes, this train will be arriving at station stop Cedar Park, our final destination for today. At this time, take a moment to look around and make sure you have all your valuables and personal belongings. And please, throw away any nearby trash. Listen to your car attendant for instructions on deboarding the train, and remember to thank them for volunteering to serve you today and keeping vintage railroading alive in Central Texas. On behalf of our entire team, I want to thank you for riding with us today. We hope to see you again real soon. Please have a safe drive home or wherever your next destination may be. Once again, this station stop, Cedar Park.
Okay, well, we just got off the Hill Country Flyer. Sorry, my hand's a little bit in the video. Y'all have fun? Kind of tired though? Well, we hope you enjoyed the video, and if you could help us out and subscribe to our channel and like our videos, that'd be great. And we'll see you next time. Nice. Oh my goodness, you're all the way down there.
I'm gonna start swimming.
Let me see that. Go step. Oh yeah, just be careful, okay? Don't go too far. Okay, let me see you. Keep your feet off. Don't try not to touch the ground. Just practice, okay?
Okay. I will start.
We got this whole pool to ourselves right now.